Greetings from VSK Business Consultant. New entrepreneur article written by VSK Business Consultant, Chennai. Welcome, new entrepreneurs and visionaries. To all new entrepreneurs embarking on the thrilling journey of a startup, a warm and enthusiastic welcome from VSK Business Consultant. For immediate notifications, insights, and continuous support, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, like our Facebook page, and follow us on Instagram. Stay connected for valuable content tailored for your entrepreneurial journey. Whether you are a fresher stepping into the business world for the very first time, or an experienced professional with 10 to 15 years in your field looking to launch something new, the fundamental principles of successful entrepreneurship remain the same. The journey is monumental, filled with incredible excitement and daunting challenges. Before you dive in, we encourage every new entrepreneur to ask themselves a crucial question, a question that will serve as your compass through all the inevitable highs and lows. Why should I start this business? Take a moment to truly reflect on that. Is it to solve a pressing problem you've observed? To bring a unique innovation to the market? To fulfill a personal passion? To gain independence and build something entirely of your own? Understanding your core motivation is paramount. Now, let's add another critical layer to your thinking. Your brilliant idea is likely not the solution for all customers. It's easy to fall in love with your own creation, but true entrepreneurial success hinges on understanding a fundamental truth. What the customer requires, that is the most important solution. Your product or service needs to genuinely address a pain point, fulfill an unmet need, or significantly improve an existing experience for your target audience. Don't just build what you think is cool, build what your customers desperately need. Think about their challenges, their frustrations, and what would genuinely make their lives easier or better. Even with years of experience, remember that your expertise serves to inform, not dictate, what the market truly demands. For a new entrepreneur, understanding what customers are really facing problems from the business market, and what their exact requirements are, is the bedrock of success. It's not about what you think they need, but what they genuinely experience as a hurdle or a missing piece. These pain points can manifest in various ways. Product pain points, issues with usability, missing features, lack of reliability, or simply a product that doesn't deliver on its promises. Process pain points, frustrations with cumbersome purchasing processes, slow customer service, difficult navigation on websites, or inefficient workflows. Financial pain points, concerns about high costs, hidden fees, perceived lack of value for money, or expensive alternatives. Support pain points, long wait times for assistance, unhelpful responses, difficulty finding information, or being passed between departments. A successful new entrepreneur doesn't just have an idea. They deeply empathize with their potential customers to uncover these exact requirements. They conduct thorough market research, listen intently to feedback, observe behaviors, and are willing to iterate and pivot their solution until it perfectly aligns with what customers truly need and are willing to pay for. Finally, and perhaps most crucially, every entrepreneur must answer this question from the customer's perspective: why should I come and buy a product or service from you? This is your unique selling proposition, USP. It's not enough to solve a problem. You need to solve it better, faster, cheaper, more conveniently, or with a unique emotional connection than anyone else. Your USP is the compelling reason customers choose you over competitors. It could be your unparalleled customer service, a groundbreaking feature, a superior quality, a more affordable price point, or a brand story that resonates deeply. Articulating this clearly will be key to your market penetration and long-term success. From the moment an idea sparks, through the painstaking process of validation, the detailed planning, and finally, the exhilarating launch, the psychological landscape for an entrepreneur is a dynamic one. It demands resilience, adaptability, and an unwavering passion for your vision. We know this path requires immense courage and a persistent belief in your ability to turn an idea into reality. At VSK Business Consultant, we are here to support you at every stage. We are proud to announce that VSK Business Consultant founder, Vijay Mauli, is offering a free consultation for all new entrepreneurs and business startups. This is a unique opportunity to gain invaluable insights and personalized guidance as you lay the foundation for your venture. Let's work together to transform your innovative ideas into lasting success stories by focusing on what truly matters: your customers' real problems, exact needs, and compelling reasons to choose you. Welcome to the entrepreneurial community. Contact VSK Business Consultant. Phone 9840-336-999. Website www.vskbusinessconsultant.in. Trust VSK Business Consultant for your entrepreneurial journey.